How to build a soulful connection and build a tribe of loyal customers for your spiritual business. So what is a soulful connection? It's that magical link that goes beyond transactions, touching hearts and souls. It's when you feel heard, seen, and understood. Then it's easy to spiritually align with that person or that business. And that's how you create loyal supporters and advocates for yourself and for your spiritual business. Crafting a relatable and yet spiritual narrative is key. Storytelling bridges your vision and connects your audience's heart, fostering a powerful connection. I remember when I got my first paying client. And no, they weren't related to me. However, I felt a close bond with them because they trusted me enough to allow me to help them using Reiki energy healing. The way to understand your clients is to dive into their spiritual needs and their aspirations. For instance, when I started posting online, I needed to create content. I didn't know what to do. How do I manage my clients, my personal life and connections, create content, and still do other things that require my attention? Now, even though I've gotten better at balancing all those aspects that I just mentioned, I'm still evolving my practice and my business. So engage in meaningful conversations with your audience to help you to understand their journey. Ask questions to better cater to their unique desires and needs. In the sea of over 8 billion people, each and every one of us is unique. Not even twins are exactly alike. You can stand out amongst other spiritual businesses by embracing your uniqueness. You know, I've spent a long time trying to fit into a box that everyone expected me to be, and it's not really a fault. It's just that all of us want to feel like we belong, or all of us want to feel included. And so nobody really wants to stick out. But after spending a long time trying to fit into something that just wasn't me, I decided that I was just going to be myself. And I have to tell you, it's still a little bit challenging because, like I said, no one wants to be judged. No one wants to be criticized. Unfortunately, that's just how life is. You do it, I do it, all of us do it. My energy can be calming when required and invigorating when it's required to raise up frequencies. Your distinct perspective, story, and approach will help you to carve out your niche and attract your ideal clients or customers. So connecting and building a tribe of loyal customers for your spiritual business isn't a one-time thing. Crafting a tribe of devoted customers isn't an overnight journey. And with each step you take, it helps to build a stronger connection. So embrace your authenticity, engage deeply with your audience, and watch as your spiritual business flourish. If you've made it to this part of the video, thank you for being loyal. I know you'll enjoy watching the Soulful Secret for Magnetic Marketing. It gives you a deeper insights on ways you can market your spiritual business. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.